I'm Karen Wood. I'm a physical therapist here at Body One, and I am also an orthopedic certified specialist. I have now had decades of experience as a PT, and that has been a privilege. It's been a privilege to gain the experience and to meet so many people over the years. And I bring that experience to each patient that I see now. But what really gets me up in the morning and gets me excited about going to work is that there's always new things to learn. Um, there's research that's coming out, and technology has made that research even more accessible. I learn from my colleagues. I learn from my patients. And that means I get to be a better PT tomorrow than I am today. So that's what really drives me to keep coming and treating patients. My overall philosophy of treatment is just understanding it's rooted. My philosophy is rooted in the fact that each of you coming to me is coming in with a different set of circumstances. And at Body One, we have time to thoroughly do a thorough examination so that we can understand not only what you're coming in with, but why that is a problem. Because if we can establish why, then we can really make a deeper change for the good for your body. Also, it's a privilege in that comprehensive examination to understand what your lifestyle is, what your goals are, what challenges you are having in your life at that moment. We get to really get to know you, and that's a partnership, and that leads to success in treatment. As far as what I like to treat, I really like all orthopedic problems. I get to, problem solve, and I like fall prevention. My favorite areas of the body to treat are the neck and the hip. And that's because I've had my own real problems at the neck and the hip. I've had a few hip surgeries. And so I think I just, bring a little bit even deeper understanding to those areas and keep up on the research, of course, with those areas. I am certified in dry needling. I am certified in blood flow restriction, which is a type of strength training. And I also treat arthritis. I've worked with many rheumatologists over the years. And in addition to that, and often in conjunction with rheumatologists, I treat hypermobility. So if you need therapy, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or one of my great colleagues here at Body One PT, and we will help you on your health journey.